Welcome to Taste of Portugal. Hello there! Today we're making one of Portugal's most traditional and comforting dishes, Açorda à Alentejana. Simple, soulful, and full of flavor. Açorda is a humble soup made with rustic bread, garlic, cilantro, olive oil, and poached eggs. It's a dish that reflects the heart of Portuguese home cooking. Minimal ingredients, maximum soul. We will use the following ingredients: 4 slices of day-old rustic bread, 4 garlic cloves, 1 bunch of fresh cilantro, 1 egg per person, olive oil to taste, salt to taste, and finally, boiling water. These are simple, powerful ingredients. The magic is in how we bring them together. Now let's get to the preparation. Start by crushing the garlic with a pinch of salt, then add the cilantro and keep mashing until you get a fragrant green paste. This soup is all about using leftover bread. Tear it into chunks and place it in a serving bowl. Poach the eggs in simmering water with a splash of vinegar for about 2 to 3 minutes until the whites are set and yolks are still runny. Now mix the herb paste into the bread, then pour boiling water over everything. Stir it all together to create a rustic, comforting texture. Top each bowl with a poached egg and a generous drizzle of good olive oil. That's it. Comfort in a bowl. This is Portugal in a bowl. The garlic, cilantro, warm bread, and silky egg. It's rustic, flavorful, and absolutely satisfying. Did you enjoy this traditional Portuguese recipe? Then give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with your version of Açorda, and don't forget to subscribe for more authentic Portuguese cooking. See you in the next video.